cool. Perfect. Perfect.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
Magnificent accessories, mountain treachery, sunshine like the desert sea. Recordings come to drop poetry on drums, recite my chapter, spread it through dirty slums, and teach the uneducated and confused. Abused, not amused, cause the stress made you snooze. I choose to go the right route that's taught to hold my family together tight and hold down the fort. I ought to be the top spokesman of the year, but a wise man told me just sit back and stare. Yeah, I'm all about this real hip-hop, living extravagant off beats that knock. My squeeze will keep G's while the diamonds shine in long mink coats with the silk European linings. The question is, what's he like anyway? She's my sunshine that brightens up my dark day. Just shutter remote. My studio standards got me wildin', I'm no joke. My high accuracy, servo control got me ripping through lyrics while Chris Lowe's on his toes. But yo, beats from the streets break concrete, defeat the weak and seek those who slip and leak. My scientific mind is intelligent, known for puffin' trees from the earth. It's the element to make me start vibing off a beat like this, using nouns, verbs, adjectives, with a street twist. So all your funk owners give up your title. Here comes your idol throwing blows at parts that's vital. I'm psycho, selling more than Michael. I'm catching wreck on top of the Eiffel. Why guarding me with rifles? Well protected, hand selected, elected, known to get bucked. Freestyle on this record. It's all about that money. 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 Here comes the steez, the weeds, creeping through the trees at low degrees, freeze the industry sees. My peak program level meters, the heater to rise up in red while beats and snares get deeper. To lay it down on my GX 8500. Word processing typewriter while I'm running. You'll concentrate on topics, get into my rockin'. Who tries to knock it when it's filling up my front and back pockets? I mean it when I seen it. Rappers out there getting paid, making mad Luciani off that wax they made. It's been a long time to hear competition, but after 4 years, there ain't a damn thing I'm missing.